Hello and welcome from Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. Today we have a brand new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2015 Dodge Ram regular cab 1500 RT Hemi truck. This thing is a very hard vehicle to find. They didn't really make too many of them. And then also to get some cool features that is on this vehicle on it. It's just a hard vehicle to find. I'll go through them as we go around. Like I said, we'll start on the front here. This is an RT. So with the RT, you get the upgraded front hood. So on each side of the hood, you get some little vent holes. Just gives it a little more meatier of a stance. Also with the Sport, you get the painted front bumper. Probably one of the coolest exterior features, in my opinion, on this particular truck is the factory 22-inch chrome wheels. That's a hard one to find, especially back in 2015 in the truck market. So that is a factory Dodge Ram 22-inch aluminum wheel. And on the side, another thing on the side of this vehicle, it does have factory chrome step-up bars. I'd say this particular color is a maximum steel, if I'm not mistaken. Rear painted bumper, dual exhaust. Also with your trailer hitch, you also have a 7 and 4 pin wiring hookup. So whether you, doesn't really matter really what kind of trailer, you're ready to go with both hookups. This particular vehicle, also on the rear of the vehicle, does have a backup camera. There is no bed liner in this, but that is something that can be added. And if it's something you would want us to add for you, we can definitely get you a price on that. Very clean on the outside, very minimal scratches. I don't see any rust dents. As you can see, it is a leather slash suede-ish material for the front driver and passenger seating. We'll go over to the other side and go over some of the features on that side of the on the driver's side of the vehicle. But as you can see, the interior is very clean. It's not all nicked up, not dinged up. On this particular seat, I don't see any tears in the mesh. Just a very clean, hard to find 2015 regular cab Hemi truck. For the driver's side of the vehicle, we do have power side mirrors, also power windows, power locks. It has auto lights, so you can set them on auto, which they're on now. It does have, you could pair your phone up with this particular vehicle. You'd also have your cruise on your steering wheel also. This is a turn knob system here, so you turn for reverse, gives you your backup camera, turn to drive. The backup camera will go away after, I think it's 15 seconds. As far as another features on here, you do have all your push buttons for your heat and air. You also can operate them through the touchscreen radio. This particular vehicle does have heated front seats, also with the heated steering wheel. As far as operating your heat and air, obviously from the touch button, you can do that there, like I said. Pair your phone like we've talked about. Just a really nice radio that's Chrysler's had out for a while. That's proven to be a very good radio. This particular truck does have universal garage door openers also. Program your garage door opener right into there and you no longer have to carry around that garage door opener. 12-volt DC charger in the center. Storage right there with another USB plug, SD card capability, auxiliary switches. It's got all the features inside of it, and obviously more storage and a locking gas cap. Also, it does have your regular AC plug right there. Plug your cell phone charger in, just can't plug the crock pot in. It'll blow. This vehicle is also equipped with Alpine audio throughout, which is a really nice system, very loud, sounds great, really clear. And again, this is a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 regular cab RT with 22-inch wheels, factory 22-inch wheels, factory step-up bars. Just a really nice truck. This vehicle is located at Paul Sherry Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. But if you're not located around us, don't let that scare you. We do deliver nationwide, and it's something we're very familiar with doing. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, throw a comment in below on suggestions of vehicles that we may not have on our lot that maybe you're interested in seeing a video on. So, and again, we're located at Sherry Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. You can give us a call if you'd like at 937-778-0830, or you can find us on the web. If you're on YouTube and want to find this vehicle on our internet, on our web page, I'm sorry. We'll have approximately 50 pictures of it, of the interior and exterior. That is sherrychrysler.com.